Alright guys, we're in a Mark V Supra, the same one I drove at Sonoma last time, and we're going to be competing in this Lightspeed Time Trial event here. We're going to do a full session first just to get warmed up. We're on brand new Nankang CR-S tires. These are 275, 35, 18 all around. I'll put all the mods in the video description. pretty damn fast. At a high 36. So if we can pull off that time or even go a little bit faster in the time trial session, we should be able to take home a victory in the TTA class. However, the brake pedal started to feel really soft towards the end of that session. All right, time for the time trial session. Let's pray that our brake pedal is back. Following another very fast Supra with basically the same mods and same tires. But we have a big brake kit, he doesn't, so I'm in the next higher class. hopefully that 36.4, I think it was, is good enough to give us first place in TTA. Shout out to Hal, the owner of this Supra, for building it to be such an incredible track monster. It's such a great handling car, and it's so easy to drive hard. You look at this car from the outside, it's intimidating. It has so much aero, it's so wide and low, but this car is set up to be so easy to drive. The ZF 8-speed, super quick, super smooth. The suspension's fantastic. It felt stiff at Sonoma, but really good out here. The power's great. We're still on stock tune, just some bolt-ons. The car feels so fast. And these Nankang CR-S tires with aero, oh my goodness, this car can carry speed through corners. So shout out to Hal and a shout out to Lightspeed for hosting another great track event. 105 DB day here at Laguna Seca. Check the link in the description if you want to do some events with them here in the Bay Area. And I'll see you guys next time. should have been good.